Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm the Membership Manager here at LG Pro, and in this session I'm going to take you through how to use the new Special Interest Group communities. That's the new term for the forums. All you need to do is log into the website at the top here, and once you've logged in, click on Hi, and this will take you through to your LG Pro profile. If you've forgotten your login details, no problem at all. When you're signing in, it will give you the option to send you your username or you've forgotten your password. Once you're in your profile, head to the Participation tab, and this is where you'll see all the special interest groups that you've been registered to. So these are the ones that I've been registered to so far. And I can also see down the bottom here all their respective online communities. The online communities is the best way to get in touch with the SIG as a whole. Simply click on the group, and this will take you in to the new forums. We have an announcement space, resource library space. You've also got the ability to create blogs, open up discussions, and create a wiki. And down the bottom here, you can also see who else is registered in the special interest group. Everyone in the group has been given the ability to contribute or upload resources to the resource library. To do that, simply click New, add a folder, type in the name of the folder, and then hit New again, and then type or select the file type that you are uploading and upload your resource. This means that other colleagues within the group can see what's been contributed, and if it's relevant to them, they can download that and you're sharing resources. So how does this new area work? Well, the announcement area is a one-way broadcast. The announcement area is the best way to sort of say to the group, hi, don't forget to save the date, we have an upcoming meeting here. Or, I have created a wiki that I'd like your help on, or I've opened up a discussion, I welcome your feedback. And the same goes for, I've created a blog, feel free to comment on. All right, so how to make an announcement. Simply go to add an announcement, type in the title and the body, and then hit save. It's that easy. Everyone who's in the group will get an email alert that you've made an announcement. If you're not getting email announcements, it might be worth checking with your IT department to see if the post is getting blocked, or feel free to contact us in the office and we'll help you. As I mentioned, you've got the ability to open up a discussion thread, blog, or wiki. So let's just go through what that looks like. If I want to open up a discussion, go to Add Discussion Forum, create the topic, you've also got the ability to add HTML in the posts or allow attachments, and then hit save. And when this refreshes, we'll see that a discussion thread has been opened. If you would like to add to this discussion thread, just click on the topic, click Create a New Topic, and put in your reply. And then hit save. And we can see that you've made a reply. So what does this look like when we go back out to see the forum as a whole? We can see that one topic has been added. To view the topic, just hit Topic. If you would like to reply even further, to do so, just click on Reply. and leave your second reply. Then hit save. And we can see that the second reply has been added. Please note, in these areas, you need to subscribe to the discussion, blog, or wiki that you're interested in. This now allows you to control the amount of email alerts that you receive. To subscribe, simply just hit subscribe. And you're also able to unsubscribe at any time. And to do this, just go to the topic you're subscribed to and click unsubscribe. When you are subscribed to a blog, discussion, or wiki, you will receive an email alert every time someone has added to that conversation. If you're not subscribed to anything, the onus is on you to keep in touch with this space. If you were to create a blog, to do so, just hit Add New Blog. You've also got the capability of allowing HTML and attachments in posts. Hit Save. And up it comes. If you would like to subscribe to that, just hit subscribe. If you would like to reply, click on the post, click Create New Blog Post. Hit Save. And you have replied. At any point, you'll also note that you have the option to edit and also delete in any space within the forum. Best practice with creating a blog, discussion, or wiki to let everyone know in the group that you've done this is to create that first and then make an announcement about it. This way, everyone knows to subscribe to what you've written. I hope this is of help, and if you are experiencing any technical problems or you require any further assistance, feel free to get in touch with us at the LG Pro office. Thanks for listening.